Ferrari F430 Challenge Stradale. These are rare and hard to find. Red brake calipers, carbon ceramic. Get a close up there. The interior is gutted. We'll get to that in a sec. That mesh rear, one of the best sounding V8 Ferraris. Look at that. Straight into the engine bay. It's gotta sound so clean. Carbon fiber struts. Here's the interior. Gutted. Lightweight. Probably a track monster. Love it. Love the blue color too. One of the cleanest Laguna Seca E46 M3s I think I've ever seen in person. I'll get a close-up of the bumper just to show you how clean it is. Look at that, the headlights, the grille, mint condition. Guys, interior is also super clean. If you can see that. Manual, not the SMG. Looks so good. Few old school Mercs, Mercedes, Lowriders. Check these out. Pristine. Got the bike on top. This interior. Ooh, that is custom. Clean in, clean out. Love the silver, old school look. Love it, it's beautiful. Oh, those are cool. Little side. Amazing. We got two more over here. Absolutely slammed M4 CS. At least it's the CS hood. It's gotta be on bags. Look at those headlights. That's pretty rad. Front lip, carbon fiber, splitters, black kidney grille. Yeah, that's sick. Look at that paint color. Is that a wrap? It's gotta be, right? Yeah, it's a wrap right there. Carbon fiber spoiler up top, spoiler on the back. So I think it's just an CS hood. Love the license plate. Look at the back. Tips. Clean. Check out this lineup of these old school Porsches. Absolutely mint condition. Pardon the background noise if it's coming through. Yo, that's sick. TBS, Carrera, 911. That's a 993. RWB. I'll leave it here for a sec. Look at that. Look how wide those fenders. I'll get a shot here. Dang. Look at this thing. Look at those wide hips. Amazing.
Then you disassemble the car. And then you decontaminate it. And then you wrap it. The reason is so that you get
killer shot right here. Got a Polestar Wagon. Don't know much about these besides. All electric. Looks clean though. Custom rims. Wait until you see the interior. Check this out. Racing bucket seats with Alcantara. Race harness, and wait for it. Boom. Look at that. I'll get a close up in here. Love that. Love that.